y'all, and welcome to the Hillbilly Chicken Ranch. I'm Susan, your hostess. We're going to be doing some intentional living and some frugal living today because we are going to be donating clothes out of my closet that I am no longer wearing. The majority of them are shirts, and there may be a few pants mixed in. And I actually found two or three dresses in my closet that I had completely forgotten about, and some items in the very back of my closet that I can fit into now. So they got moved over inside my closet so that I can start wearing those items. I am keeping jackets and anything that I can wear over a dress that I might need a little extra coverage for. So I am keeping those items. So I have pulled a great big stack of clothes here. We're going to go through this. I've got a bag. These are all going to get donated. Let's look at the closet. Blessing someone else with all the clothes that have been removed. I've got room for more pants, and I have a place to hang my aprons finally. Yay! Well, y'all, I have cleared out my closet. I've got a few pieces I'm going to put back in my closet, hangers that I've got to put away until they are filled again. And I've got laundry going today, so it's been a busy, busy morning for me. But I wanted to let you know 6 bags are going to be donated to our local thrift stores. If I had a way of getting these to those that have been in the tornadoes, they would definitely be donated there first. But I have no way of getting it there. But I do know a lot of these organizations will donate clothing for emergency situations also. What is good about this? Well, a lot of these clothes were too big on me to begin with. They were falling off of me. I had lost so much weight. I told you a few months ago I was down 75 pounds. I'm maintaining that within 5 to 10 pounds. And right now I am just focusing on getting all of this out of the house and making room in my closet for a new wardrobe as it comes in. And I am so thankful that most of these clothes were donated to me to begin with by my friend Sandra McBroom, and a few pieces were picked up here and there along the way. A couple of pieces my husband had bought me a few years ago, and they are just swallowing me now, so I had to make a decision. I did hang on to all of the t-shirts that my grandchildren and my daughters have bought me for Mother's Day over the years, because those are keepsakes and I want to hang on to them. I have gotten rid of some shoes that I no longer wear. In this stuff, there's some other odds and ends in here that are all going to be donated. And I hope that this encourages you to get started on decluttering your closet and getting things organized for your house. Hey friends, thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you for the many comments, the likes, the friendships, and for sharing this content out. Take a moment and watch all of the advertisements, because that is how I get monetized and get paid. I appreciate each and every one of you for your time and your patience. And y'all, I have this special content over here I think you might like.